First of all, create a file, add a text. I am just type here PD. We are going to create a logo for passionate designer. Click on rectangle tool. We should rasterize type our layer and then right click on layer via copy. Repeat the same process on D. Now we should delete our first layer PD both. The size of P and D are very small. We should resize them by clicking Ctrl plus T for resize. Now we are going to take a half part of P. Right click on P layer and click on copy via layer. Now make different parts of alphabets for more attraction. We are going to take a half part of D first and then second. And now you should delete the original layers of P and D. And now we should color the parts of P and D. Double click on layer that you want to color. Click on color overlay and choose a color that you want. You should change the color of all the parts of the alphabets for more attraction. Now I am going to use the pen tool. Now we should color our new layer just like the half part of D. Now we shall use again the pen tool and make a shape like an arrow. Like this, and color this with the same color of P. Now we should add a text for title. Your title goes here. Add space between the letters. Resize the text by pressing Ctrl plus T. Make sure your text is on the center of your logo. Delete the background of your logo and download and add a mockup file for your logo. You can download a mockup for free from Google. Now drag your logo in your double-clicked mockup file. Now delete your double-clicked file and save this. Boom, your logo is done here. You can save this logo in any form like PSD, JPG and etc. If you like my video, then press the subscribe button. Thank you.